Everybody fucking jump!
Alright everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. Get you guys a little bit of full box action. I got these and I got the Fire Red 3s, so I said I might as well start unboxing. To me they're pretty much the same shoe, all except for the back. Like I said, those of you who know what this box is already. Get you guys a little bit of box action. Let's let it focus. Alright, these will read the Air Jordan 3 Retro White, Light Curry, and Cardinal Red, aka the Jordan 3 Retro Cardinal Reds. Got two pairs of these, and I have two pairs of the Fire Reds. And I don't know what it is about Jordan 3s, but I just must have them. I told myself I was going to stop getting them, these and 5s, but just can't stop getting them because they're just good shoes. Good trades, good sales. Materials on this shoe are kind of stiff, but still, for Jordan 3, it's an outstanding shoe. See the elephant print, all white tumbled leather, Cardinal Red midsole. Exposed air unit to the elephant print again. This is the thing that separates this one from the Fire Red 3s. Get the Jumpman and the air on the back instead of Nike Air. But you still get the cool elephant print to the Cardinal Red breakup on the bottom. I think pretty much the same on this shoe. Materials on this shoe are pretty much spot on. Looking for a Jordan 3. Can't see why you wouldn't pick these up unless you have the Fire Red 3s already. Like I said, I just got both pairs just because. She was so white, it's hard to focus. Time to get the focus now. There we go, guys. Get some good focus. Not a bad shoe at all, like I said. If you can get this shoe, make sure you guys go and pick up a pair of these. So the days where you don't wear the Fire 3s, and you know, in this case you're a Jordan 3 guy, you can definitely put these on. Like I said, materials are spot on. It's an outstanding shoe. Get you guys a little bit of top action. So check out the Jumpman on the tongue. Nothing special in the inside, just the standard Jordan 3 inside. No extra laces. Standard Jordan 3 bottom. Like I said, this will let everybody down on the shoe though, but you don't like to see that. Okay, you guys look what the shoe's gonna look like on your foot. You know what you think about these. Which ones would you want more? These are the Cardinal, the Fire Red 3s. Or if you take one pair of both. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day out there.
Everybody fucking jump!